This morning with the family of the Gervais and the wife, we facilitated the repatriations of the remains of the coach from Kenya to Rwanda. The body will be transported from Eldoret airport all the way to Nairobi, and then to get the Rwandese flight all the way to Rwanda, Kigali. The wife was also here. She's really devastated, and the family also. So it is really unfortunate that we lost one of the best coaches and his athlete. And this is something that maybe I don't recall any time that a coach and athlete die together. Not in Kenya, I've never heard about that, but really the news has been pretty bad. The relationship that they have built together has been long, and the story goes that when Gervais was an athlete training in Kaptagat, Kiptum used to watch him running, training, and then sometimes when they are coming from school, he would follow him running. And they've been together, growing together in the same place, and eventually when Kiptum started running, of course, Gervais had already retired. So he started coaching him because he had already seen that this young man had the talent. He did a very good job in nurturing Kiptum. As a result of that, they built a bond that has been very strong until both of them died together in that crash.
Haya, tukitigana